Alright, I'm going to start by showing you all the different pieces to the tool, the installation tool. We're going to start with the base plates. Those are the red ones. The ones that are flat, those are for the trucks, cars, SUVs, and they come in the 3/8, 7/16, half, 9/16, 5/8, and 1 inch. And the same with these, which have a half-inch drop. These are for the motorhomes that have the slave arm right next to the windshield wiper post. So they will clear, and you choose the proper size. You slide it over your post, and you take the original nut and you just tighten it down. Okay. These are the slide plates. So the slide plates mount to the base plate, of course, but you choose the slide plate that covers the distance between the wiper post and the bottom of the existing windshield. So we got a 2-inch, 4-inch, 7-inch, and a 12-inch. The 12-inch is beefed up a little bit for the sides just because of the distance, but virtually this is 1/8-inch steel, so it's very durable, long-lasting. And this would be the faceplate. This is the steel back, and then we've got, it's virtually the toughest nylon made, I guess. Very slick, you can see. So you can set your windshield on it and slide it across, no problems. Line it up. You got a big enough face to where you're not going to have any problems there. So anyhow, let me show you how it goes together. Let's start. We'll just say, for example, we're doing it on a motorhome. Okay, and this slide plate actually covers the distance between the windshield and the wiper post. Okay, so anyhow, you can take this, and once you mounted this on the wiper post, you take your washers and slide those on. And then I use the wing nuts that is included in the kit. You use the nuts if you're doing a motorhome. You wanted to get them a little bit snugger, but for the most part, the wing nuts work just fine. I have never had any problems with them, and they're just fast and easy. So basically put those on, and you don't really need to tighten them. You just leave it loose until you mount your faceplate. Now your faceplate, you can see if you slide it in this way, you could slide it all the way down, so you've got a lot of coverage. But anyhow, you put your washers on. And the wing nuts. Now, oops. Now, as you can see, I'm going to pull that down. The distance between the windshield post and the bottom of the windshield, this is how close you can get. So I have never seen anything any closer. So it virtually works on everything, all the windshields. Now, you set this on there, and you just push it up tight against the windshield, right? This slide plate. Then you tighten it. Then you move the faceplate and stuff it right underneath the windshield. See, it's got a 1/8-inch overlap with the nylon. So this usually fits right in between the pinch weld and the curvature that comes up from there. And then you lock this down in there tight, and you tighten it up. Now that's 3 steps, very fast, and you've got something solid, and it's right there under the existing windshield. So after you cut the windshield, it supports the windshield so it doesn't fall down and scratch anything. And then once you prep it and set the new windshield, you set the new windshield on here, you slide it back and forth to where you line it up where it needs to go. You push it in, and basically you just push it in. You leave this tool until it sets up, and it's not going to slip on you. So then you just come back and pull your nut and pull your tool, and you're done. Now, I have in the kit a couple shim washers just in case, say the wiper post goes through, but the threads, it goes just a little past the thread. Then you just throw a shim washer on there, and put the nut on and tighten it up. Now, these, I just carry these collar sleeves with me just in case you want to move it down or anything. I've never really ran into having to use it, but it's just there because it makes the tool a little more universal. Anyhow, that's the installation tool, and I'll show you demonstrations on the actual vehicles, and they will be coming up soon. Thank you.